Squats are a highly beneficial exercise with numerous advantages for overall health, strength, and fitness. Here are some of the key advantages of incorporating squats into your workout routine. Lower body strength. Squats primarily target the muscles of the lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. By performing squats regularly, you can develop significant lower body strength, which is essential for everyday activities, sports performance, and overall functional movement. Full body workout. Although squats mainly target the lower body, they also engage several other muscle groups, including the core, back, and upper body. Squats require stabilization and coordination from these muscle groups, providing a comprehensive full body workout. Improved posture and balance. Squats engage the core muscles and promote proper alignment of the spine and pelvis. Regular squatting can help strengthen the muscles that support good posture, leading to improved overall posture and balance. Increased muscle mass. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This can stimulate muscle growth and increase muscle mass, especially in the lower body. Squats are often included in strength training programs for individuals aiming to build muscle. Enhanced functional movement. Squats mimic natural movement patterns like sitting down, standing up, and picking up objects from the ground. By strengthening the muscles used in these movements, squats can improve overall functional movement and make daily activities easier and more efficient. Boosted calorie burn and fat loss. Squats are a high-intensity exercise that recruits large muscle groups. Performing squats can increase your heart rate, boost metabolism, and promote calorie burning, which can contribute to weight loss and fat burning when combined with a balanced diet. Increased bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like squats can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Squats place stress on the bones, stimulating them to become stronger and denser over time. Hormonal benefits. Squats, particularly when performed with heavy weights, can trigger the release of growth hormone and testosterone in the body. These hormones play a crucial role in muscle growth, strength development, and overall well-being. Functional flexibility. Squats require a good range of motion in the hips, knees, and ankles. Regularly performing squats can help improve flexibility in these areas, allowing for better movement and reducing the risk of injuries. Accessibility and versatility. Squats can be performed with or without weights and can be modified to suit various fitness levels. They can be done at home, in the gym, or even outdoors, making them a highly accessible exercise option. Remember, it's important to maintain proper form and technique when performing squats to maximize their benefits and minimize the risk of injury. If you're new to squats or have any concerns, it's recommended to seek guidance from a qualified fitness professional. Who should do squats? Healthy individuals. If you have no pre-existing medical conditions or injuries that would prevent you from performing squats, they can be included in your fitness routine to improve strength, muscle mass, and overall fitness. Athletes and sports enthusiasts. Squats are often incorporated into training programs for athletes and sports enthusiasts due to their ability to improve lower body strength, power, and explosiveness, which can enhance performance in various sports. Individuals aiming for muscle growth. Squats are a popular exercise choice for individuals looking to build muscle mass, especially in the lower body. They recruit multiple muscle groups and can stimulate muscle growth when combined with an appropriate resistance training program and adequate nutrition. Those seeking functional movement improvements. Squats mimic natural movements and can improve functional movement patterns such as sitting, standing, and lifting objects from the ground. Including squats in your workout routine can enhance your ability to perform everyday activities efficiently. Who should approach squats with caution or avoid them? Individuals with certain medical conditions. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions, injuries, or limitations, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified fitness trainer before attempting squats. Conditions such as knee or hip injuries, back problems, or balance issues may require modifications or alternative exercises to avoid further complications. Beginners or individuals with limited mobility. If you're new to exercise or have limited mobility, it's important to start with proper technique and gradually increase the intensity and range of motion. Some individuals may require assistance or modifications, such as using a stability ball or chair for support during squats. Pregnant women. While squats can be beneficial during pregnancy, it is crucial for pregnant women to consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating them into their fitness routine. Modifications may be necessary to accommodate the changing body and minimize stress on the pelvic area. Individuals with acute injuries. If you have an acute injury, such as a recent muscle strain or ligament sprain, it's generally recommended to avoid squats until the injury has healed. Squats can place additional stress on the injured area and hinder the healing process. Always prioritize safety and listen to your body when performing squats or any exercise. If you experience pain, discomfort, or any unusual symptoms during squats, it's advisable to stop and seek guidance from a healthcare professional or a qualified fitness trainer. Proper form and technique of squats. Proper form and technique are crucial when performing squats to maximize their benefits and minimize the risk of injury. Here are the steps to perform a basic bodyweight squat with proper form. Starting position. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your head and chest up, and maintain a neutral spine. Initiate the movement. Begin the squat by hinging at your hips and pushing your buttocks back, as if you're sitting back into a chair. Simultaneously, bend your knees and lower your body down. Depth of squat. Descend until your thighs are parallel to the ground or slightly below. Aim for a comfortable range of motion, but avoid going too low if it compromises your form or causes discomfort. Knees in alignment. As you lower into the squat, ensure that your knees stay in line with your toes and do not collapse inward. This helps maintain proper alignment and reduces stress on the knees. Neutral spine. Keep your spine neutral throughout the movement. Avoid excessive rounding or arching of your back. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your torso. Weight distribution. Shift your weight onto your heels and midfoot, rather than your toes. This helps maintain balance and stability throughout the movement. Ascending from the squat. Push through your heels and midfoot, driving upward. Extend your hips and knees simultaneously to return to the starting position. Maintain control and avoid using excessive momentum. Breathing. Inhale as you descend into the squat, and exhale as you push up and return to the starting position. This breathing pattern can help provide stability and support during the exercise. Additional tips for proper squat form. Keep your feet flat on the ground throughout the movement. Maintain an upright torso, avoiding excessive forward lean. Avoid rounding your shoulders or allowing them to collapse forward. Engage your glutes and leg muscles to generate power and maintain stability. Start with bodyweight squats and gradually progress to weighted squats as you become more comfortable and confident with the movement. It's essential to practice proper form and technique, and if you're new to squats, consider seeking guidance from a qualified fitness professional to ensure you're performing them correctly. They can provide personalized feedback and modifications based on your individual needs and abilities. Thanks for watching.